guys, this is Pavel from Awesome Presentations. Today I will show you how to quickly build a really nice looking slide where you can compare two numbers, two pie charts in some definitely very interesting way instead of just putting two graphs next to each other. So let's start with the background. I'm gonna use this rectangle as the base for my slide. I don't want to have any outline. I want this to have a dark color. This one gonna need a dark slide, which I think it's gonna turn out pretty nicely. Let's make space for our picture. I'm gonna use this rectangle to choose exactly the placing where I would like to have the picture to be. I think, yeah, that's going to be a significant part of the slide. I think that should be enough. So let's subtract those two shapes. Before we're going to insert the picture, let's create a chart. I'm a very big fan of donut charts instead of the regular pie charts or bar charts. Although I do think that every type of chart has its own proper use, but I'm a really big fan of the pie charts. I know a lot of people are just simply creating the graphs within Excel and then print screen them and paste as a picture into PowerPoint. Please try to avoid that. It's really the same effort in creating the graph directly in PowerPoint as you would create it in Excel, but you have advantage of being able to edit it in real time as opposed to going to Excel every single time, edit it in a secondary application, screenshot it, paste it, and then whenever you're going to need to update your PPT, you're going to go through the same steps again and again. So just do that directly in PowerPoint. Works really well. So in the meantime, this is our first pie chart, and that's going to be 82% that we would like to show up. First of all, let's remove the attributes that we're not going to use, which is header, which is legend. I want to show only the bigger part of the chart, so I'm going to get rid of this 20%, 18% by removing its color and by removing its outline. I also don't want to have outline on the first section, so I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to already color it to the I'm going to color it to our nice Mediterranean blue. Let's see if we can make the this chart smaller, as we need to squeeze in two of them next to each other for comparison. I think that should be enough. Okay, that should be enough. Let's create second one pretty quickly. I'm just copying the first one. I can edit the Excel data directly from this chart and directly from PowerPoint. I'm gonna make like 60% or maybe 63%. Donut charts have a really nice feature that you can use, which is that empty section in the center, and you can use that to implement the values that the graphs shows in really neat way. So let me show you how to do it. pretty straightforward, and I'm surprised that I'm very surprised that just a handful of people are doing this. So this is our 82%. I think that was 82%, right? Doesn't really matter. Let's put it in within the donut. I would advise you to play around with the layout. I even with the text, I tend to make the percentage signs smaller, which I think gives a nice touch. But you know, whatever works for you. And as I remember, that was 63%. So let's add some commentary to this. I already got some default string prepared. Let me do that one more time. Copy and paste. Let's see if we can squeeze it in. I think that's gonna work out pretty nicely. Change font. Always trying to keep the same font across the whole slide and the whole deck. And I can assure you, people are gonna notice that if you are not consistent. Right, I would like to outline the picture when we're gonna have it, because that's just jumping from the bright white to dark blue is not really gonna work pretty well. It's not gonna look nice. So let's outline it slightly. For that, I will use the same color scheme I'm using across the charts. Again, try to be consistent. Let's make it transparent. And that should be enough. Now let's remove the sections we're not going to use, which is that top one right here, and that bottom one. Okay. Right, of course, our picture. You can just, I got some prepared, just grab it and drop it. Let's put it in the far back and crop it. I think that looks pretty well. One last thing, header. Don't need percentage sign anymore. That's not going to work out. Let's make it smaller. Good. I think we can go with the blue one on the top one. Just the final touch. And I do think we are done. If you liked this short video and you like this slide, please leave the thumbs up. If you would like to be up to date with some more cool looking slides, please subscribe and see you next time.